Good morning, students. In previous class, we have started the chapter The Tale of the Tale by R.K. Narayan. Okay, we have ended the story till that all the friends Rajam, Mani, Somu, Swaminathan, P and Shankar were fighting. They went out of the class and they started fighting among themselves that who has written. Now further, meanwhile Mani covered his mouth with his hand. तो मनी व्हाट डिड इट ही कवर्ड हिज माउथ, जैसे मुंह पर हाथ रख लेना, एंड ही सेड व्हाट इज अ टेल. देन ही क्वेश्चनड anyway he asked. Then he asked his friends, what is tail? ये टेल होता क्या है? They call me Rajam's tail. Then Swaminathan said that they called me Rajam's tail. Rajam's tail means the person who is all the time after his friend is called friend. जैसे उसका पूछ एनी टाइम आपके जो फ्रेंड है, जैसे कि कोई आपके क्लास में कोई स्टूडेंट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अनोखी. ओके, अनोखी is all the time after Supriya. Okay, मतलब whenever Supriya is going to washroom, she is also going. Supriya is eating lunch, he is also eating. Supriya is doing homework, she is also doing. So all the time whatever you do, you will also do. Whatever your friend is doing, you are also doing, and all the time busy in praising her about your friend. This is called tale. मतलब this is a phrase. Okay, but in a colloquial language, जैसे आम भाषा में उसे कहते हैं हम लोग पूछ. देखो देखो वो उसका पूछ है, जो वो कर रहा है वो भी वही कर रहा है, और जहाँ वो जा रहा है वो भी उसके पीछे पीछे जा रहा है. He is not able to use his own mind that what he has to do or not, and he is doing the thing what his friend is doing. That is called tale. Mani and Rajam were sworn enemies. Sworn enemies means पक्के दुश्मन थे. ठीक है, Mani and Rajam were enemy of each other. There was a frozen expression over Mani's phrase. He asked, and who dares to talk of Rajam here? There was a frozen expression on Mani's face. That means मनी का जो फेस था वो बिल्कुल फ्रीज्ड, बिल्कुल लाइक अ वाइट, एक्सप्रेशनलेस. दैट वाज एक्सप्रेशनलेस. ही आस्क्ड, and who dares to talk of Rajam here? If any one of you fellows have done it, growled Mani, looking at the trembling Shankar and P. Then Mani were just giving the growled expression, means गौर से देखना कि who must have written this, either Shankar or P. And Shankar and P were trembling, मतलब थरथरा रहे थे. If they have, what can you do? asked Somu with a sarcastic smile. तो सोमू ने क्या बोला, अगर वो लोग लिखे होंगे तो what you will do, तुम कर भी क्या सकते हो? You will not do anything. In a mocking bitter, मतलब in a taunt करना, किसी को taunt करना कि can you do anything? Yes, I have written. Go do whatever you can do. Like this type of expression. What do you mean, Somu? Look here. Mani, Somu cried for a long time. I have been waiting to tell you this. You think too much of yourself and your powers. Mani swung his hand and brought it down on Somu's neck. After having a long discussion, all the friends were started fighting. And what did Mani did? Mani ने क्या किया? Swung अपना हाथ सोमू के नेक पे डाल दिया. Means like to push him and started beating him. Somu pushed it away with a heavy blow, and each of them were fighting among themselves. Mani aimed a kick at Somu, but he stepped aside. All the friends started fighting and beating. The three youngsters could hardly believe their eyes. Somu and Mani, the best friends, are fighting. Somu and Mani were best friends, and due to a false confusion, they started fighting among themselves. Everyone was shocked. They had lost their heads. They thought that Somu and Mani were killing each other. The fighting grew so hard that other friends Shankar P and Rajam, they thought that might be Somu or Mani will kill each other. They looked at each other and then ran towards the school. They burst in upon the headmaster, who gathered from them with great difficulty that two murders were being committed at that very moment. Then what happened? The other friends hurried up and they went to the master and they complained that, Sir, the fight has grew so hard that I think there will be some murder happen. There will be some murder happen, so please come with me. He laughed it off at first, but excitement and the seriousness of boys made him scratch his chin. At first, the headmaster laughed and he thought that there cannot be any seriousness. But the boys were so much serious and they were so much scared. Seeing their expression, the teacher went with them. He called a peon and set off the field with him. And teacher called the peon also to stop the fight. The fighters rolling over one another were everywhere in the field. The headmaster and the peon easily picked them apart. Then teacher and headmaster came at the point of fight and they parted the boys. मतलब boys को हटा दिए लड़ने से. Much to the astonishment of Swaminathan, who had thought till then that the strength that Somu or Mani possessed was not possessed by anyone else in the world. All the five boys quietly followed the headmaster to his room. Then what happened? Master scolded them and instructed the boys to follow him. Okay, that's it. We have completed the story. We have completed the whole story, but the conclusion, the confusion which was in Swaminathan's mind, that who must have written tale, was not clear. Okay, the solution was still pending. It is not clear that who must have written the tale, and Swaminathan is still wondering that who has written this. The fight is stopped, but still in his mind the question was arising and rolling that who must have written this and done this stupid work. I will find out. So as I have earlier told you that R.K. Narayan never ends his story. He leave up to his reader to find the story, find the ending. So your homework will be to read the whole story from the starting till end and try to find out the conclusion, the ending, whom you think must have written the tale. It is your homework. In next in next class we will discuss on this topic, that according to you, who must have written this tale? Clear? Now exercise B3. Swaminathan has many friends. Complete the following web chart by filling the names of all his friends that you have read about in the lesson. Okay? Very easy. You may do it in your book or copy. It's a very easy task. P, Mani, Somu, Rajam, Shankar. That's it. Do it in your copy. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.